Quick heads up, click the link in the description to grab InVideo AI's Black Friday deal before it vanishes. Okay, story time. I used to spend entire weekends making one stupid video. Seriously, I'd be hunched over my laptop from Friday night to Sunday evening, wrestling with complicated editing software just to create something that looked mediocre at best. But then I discovered InVideo AI, and honestly, it changed everything. Click the link in the description right now to grab their insane Black Friday deal before it disappears. Here's what blew my mind. I can literally type what I want my video to be about, and InVideo AI creates the entire thing for me. We're talking script, visuals, voiceover, music, the works. What used to take me an entire weekend now takes about 10 minutes. And during their Black Friday sale, you can get this game-changing tool for a fraction of the normal price. I'm talking professional-looking videos that actually convert without the headache, without the learning curve, and without breaking the bank. Trust me, if you create any kind of content, you need to check this out. The link is in the description below, but seriously, don't wait. This Black Friday deal won't last forever, and you'll kick yourself if you miss it. Do future you a favor. Hit the link in the description, lock in the Black Friday discount, and go make something awesome with InVideo AI.